Hi guys, I'm Sammy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Pixelmator Pro tutorials every week. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to remove unwanted objects in just a few clicks using the repair tool. So let's jump right in. Alright, let's open our photo. Now if you zoom in over here, you can see we have this unwanted object that we want to remove. To bring out the repair tool, go to this bandage icon right here, or simply press R on your keyboard. Now on the right side, you'll see the repair panel appear. You'll notice a brush size setting here. You can drag this slider to change the brush size, or if you want a faster way, use the bracket keys on your keyboard. Left bracket makes your brush smaller, and right bracket makes the brush bigger. I use this shortcut all the time because it's much faster. Now simply paint over the object that you want to remove. And gone. Pixelmator Pro looks at the surrounding area and automatically fills the missing part for you. Pretty cool, right? It's honestly kind of satisfying. Let's do it again. Let's say I want to remove this girl out of the picture. I will just paint all over her and her reflection on the water. That is so satisfying and easy. Now imagine you have lots of unwanted objects, maybe several people in the background. Painting one by one can take a while, so here's another method that can save you time. Press L on the keyboard to bring out the free selection tool. Now I draw around the first object, then hold shift and keep selecting more objects. We can grab all the unwanted things at once. Now go back to the repair tool and instead of painting manually, choose repair selection. Pixelmator Pro will automatically remove all of them together. And press Command D to deselect the areas. Pretty fast, right? But sometimes after using the repair tool, you might notice tiny weird edges or little spots that don't look perfect. Don't worry, because AI isn't always perfect. Just stay on the repair tool, make your brush smaller, then gently paint over those little areas again. 1 or 2 passes fix it really quickly. Think of it like cleaning up the last few crumbs after cooking. One more cool tip about the repair tool. If you watch this video about the top 5 AI features in Pixelmator Pro, you will see that the repair tool can bring texture and patterns back into the picture. Check it out and you will find it very helpful. And that's a super simple but very effective tool in Pixelmator Pro. Try this on your own photos and let me know what you think about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Pixelmator Pro tutorials every week. And you will find this video useful, so give it a watch. I'm Sammy and I'll see you in the next one.